Welcome to Costa del Golfo, Airbnb and Costa del Golfo Sunset Cafe and Campgrounds. Today we are installing the hundreds of posts that we picked up the other day. And this is what it looks like. Vara is digging holes and placing the posts. And then they nail them, the wire to them. Leave a little bit of space so the water will go down into the soil easily and water the branches. And within a year we should see multiple branches coming up. And it'll be beautiful and shady. And this is Vara, Fernando. He's a fantastic worker, non-stop. And then we have Aiden digging holes down at the end. So this is our living fence. So thanks for tuning in. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please find us on Facebook. Get on our email list, and please tune in to watch the progress of Costa del Golfo Airbnb and Costa del Golfo Sunset Cafe and Campgrounds. Thank you very much. Have a great day.